some funds or some cryptocurrency in your account, you want to know, what the heck do I trade? Glad you asked. I'll teach you. So right here on the home page of Binance, you can see down here, these are some of the top coins that are going on right now. Okay. So in every trading pair, everything's abbreviated. So Bitcoin is BTC, USDT stands for US dollar tether, which is a stable coin. What a stable coin is it's a coin that doesn't really deviate from $1 US. So it stays right there around $1 US. Sometimes it fluctuates like half a cent or a cent, things like that. But it's basically like selling, it's to keep your money. If you had some Bitcoin and Bitcoin started dropping, you might want to sell your Bitcoin into US dollar tether because your dollar amount's not going to change because it's staying right there at $1. So right here on the screen, you can see it says BTC/USDT. So what this would tell you is that you are going to be buying Bitcoin with US dollars. USDT, US dollar tether coins, okay? And so right here, you would be buying Ethereum with US dollar tether coins. So, this in a deeper sense, this is basically saying you are betting, if you were to buy this pair, you're basically betting that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up against the US dollar tether coin, right? So beyond that, you can also trade against Bitcoin, which a lot of people prefer doing. A lot of people prefer, trading against US dollar tether. Now, that's kind of an advanced topic for another video, but you can trade against either one. I personally trade in US dollar tether just because it's easier to calculate profits and that sort of thing. But there are times where I will trade against Bitcoin, and we'll definitely make another video about that later. So here, where you can see you're trading against Bitcoin, you're actually buying Ethereum with your Bitcoin. Or you're buying Ripple, which is XRP, with your Bitcoin, okay? And you can also see all that up here. I'll show you that in a second. But real quick, over here, you guys can also see on the home page, it shows you the last price, the US dollar value, the 24-hour change, which means the amount that the price has gone up or down in the past 24 hours, the highest it's been in the past 24 hours, and the lowest it's been, as well as the 24-hour volume. Now, what the volume means is just basically the amount of transactions of coins that are being purchased or sold in a 24-hour period. So it doesn't matter if it's buy or sell orders. So if you look here against US dollar tether, you can see that the Bitcoin volume is at 601.5 million. So that means there has been $601.5 million worth, US dollars worth of Bitcoin being bought or sold in the past 24 hours. That's a pretty high volume that we've, it's the highest we've seen in a while as this video is being recorded right now. So like I said, if you go up here and click exchange, and we always use advanced, basic doesn't have many tools for you, so always be in advanced mode. So click that. And then right here, this is where things can get a little overwhelming if you're a new trader. But don't worry, we're going to explain all of it. So right here, you're going to see this is the chart, the candlestick chart for Tron against US dollar tether. I always use the trading view mode. It has more tools and you can chart a little better. So go ahead and click trading view. And so up here, like I said, it pulled up Tron against the US dollar. So in this case, I would be buying Tron with US dollars. But if you click this little drop down menu, you can see all of these pairs once again. So under this tab is going to be the coins being traded against the US dollar tether coin. You can see there's all sorts of different coins down here, and you can see their 24-hour change as well as their volume. And then if you click alts, you can trade against Ethereum or Ripple, and then you can trade against Bitcoin right here, and then right here you can trade against the Binance coin. But for now, I'm going to stick to US dollar tether. And so again, guys, these are what the trading pairs are. So it can be a little overwhelming, but like I said, this is basically saying, so on the Tron chart, the price of Tron right now, so this is against the US dollar, so this is 2.584 cents. That's what the price of one Tron is. So with a dollar, if you had a dollar, you could buy 50 Tron because they're, a little less because they're about 2.5, 2.6 cents. But this is where, same thing with Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin's about $7,342. So if you were trading against US dollar, if you wanted to buy one Bitcoin, that's exactly how much it would cost you. And the future videos are going to show you guys how to use the actual orders and how to buy them. But I'm just kind of giving you guys a rundown of what the trading pairs are. So again, the trading pairs, they're listed always as first, the coin that you are buying, and second, the coin that you are using to buy the other coin with. So there's all sorts of different trading pairs, and we're going to make more advanced videos later to explain a little bit more about the benefits of trading against Bitcoin or the benefits of trading against the US dollar Tether coin, going to be in later videos. So guys, nice and simple today, just what trading pairs are. So make sure to like and subscribe, everyone. Show some love and support. Make sure to watch the previous videos as well as the future videos. The next video is going to show you how to read this candlestick chart and how to actually read these prices. Also, make sure to drop your Tron addresses in the comments below. We have lots of our own ICG tokens to give away, as well as Tron, Dogcoin, BTT, all sorts of stuff. We love giving away free coins. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and share with your friends, because there's going to be lots more educational content coming out on this channel, lots of fun and entertaining stuff. So you're going to want to make sure to stay tuned. So guys, thanks again. Catch you next time.